Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a video here on the trade desk. I have a partial share here in Robinhood. I have, I don't know, 1 or 2 shares in the retirement. I've had this one here in Robinhood for a while. It's actually a partial share. But you can see what this one's done here over the last year. Just been kind of up and down, kind of volatile with this one. So could even... might be one to trade, you never know. Here's a look at over the last 3 months, up over 21%. In the last month, up over, we'll just call it 34%. In the last week, up over 18%. And here today, 9.5%. So, had a pretty good day. Actually a good couple months on this one. So, this is the trade desk. Ticker is TTD, and as you can see, I have a partial share here. It's one of the nice things about Robinhood. I believe you can do partial shares on Fidelity. I don't think TD Ameritrade you can. I was trying to buy something the other day and I didn't see where you could do a partial share. So if you can do a partial share on TD Ameritrade, leave that in the comments and let me know and correct me, and that would be nice to know. But back to the trade desk. As you can see, my total return here. So if you don't know what the trade desk is, it offers a technology platform for advertising buyers. It operates through the United States and international geographical segments. The firm's products include audio advertising, mobile advertising, native advertising, data management platform, cross-device targeting, and so on. Founded in 2009. Volume of 12.28 million with a $48.2 billion market cap. 70% ratings on this one for a buy, so not too bad. Here's a look at their last earnings. So beat earnings by 3 cents per share, which is pretty good. So here's where I bought mine at through $10 at it. When it was $3.92.13, that was prior to the split, so 10-to-1 split, so kind of cool. So this is what I had before, and this is what I have now. So it looks like a quarter of a share. So so you got 10 shares for every 1 share that you had. So not too bad. Way to lower the price. So this is even showing a buy here on Bing. So again, it's a technology company, markets a software platform used by digital ad buyers to purchase data-driven digital advertising campaigns across various ad formats and devices. Trade desk stock soars after advertising tech company posts earnings beat. And this is just 4 days ago. As you can see, what the stock has done since then. So let's take a look here. So it looks like it has went up since then, so not too bad. Shares of the trade desk are surging in Monday morning, trading after the advertising technology company delivered results for its most recent quarter that easily topped expectations. Trade desk posted third quarter net income of $59.4 million or 12 cents a share, up from $41.2 million or 8 cents a share in the year earlier quarter. On an adjusted basis, the company earned 18 cents a share, up from 13 cents a year earlier, and ahead of the FactSet consensus, which called for 15 cents a share. Revenue increased to $301 million from $216 million, while analysts have been expecting $283.5 million. Company is seeing growth across all channels, and none more so than connected TV, as viewers shift to the new digital streaming services and advertisers apply data to TV ad campaigns for the first time. Shares are up 25.5% following the report on track for their best day in about a year. Stock gained 26.6 on November 6th of 2020, so that's a huge amount. So for this amount of a stock, so not too bad. So that's all for the fourth quarter. And there's some more information. Feel free to pause and go over that for yourself. Why the trade desk stock rallied again on Tuesday. So they climbed sharply higher again on Tuesday, surging as much as 10.6%, though it ended the trading day at 9.4%. Catalyst driving the stock higher was a flurry of activity on Wall Street analysts who scrambled to update their price targets on the heels of the trade desk impressive third quarter financial results before the market opened on Monday. The trade desk had delivered better than expected quarterly results, which came as a surprise to some investors. So, 2 days in a row, can't beat that. The trade desk stock is poised for growth, and this is dated on the 11th. So yesterday, a well-known brand and clear leader in the digital advertising software market, company's continual technological advances and innovations have resulted in substantial revenue growth in the recent quarters. In addition to the company's scalable and frictionless business strategy has enabled it to achieve strong profit margins. Further, Trade Desk cloud-based advertising platform should continue to gain immense popularity in the near future due to the tremendous change from conventional media to digital media, with worldwide digital ad expenditure expected to exceed $455.3 billion by the end of this year. The Trade Desk is ideally positioned to take advantage of this potential. Trade Desk stock is also up approximately 19.8% over the past year and 14.6% on the year-to-date basis. Here's strong Q3 results and encouraging guidance. So, some more reasons why the stock has done as well as it has. So, if you have this one, I'm sure you're not complaining about it at all. So, is it too late to buy the Trade Desk stock? Share prices on the Trade Desk soared nearly 30% on November 8th after the ad tech company posted its third quarter earnings report. Revenue rose 39% year over year to $301.1 million, which topped expectations by $17.2 million. Excluding political ad purchases during both periods, its revenue would have risen 47%. Its adjusted net income grew 42% to $89.2 million or 18 cents per share, which beat estimates by 3 cents. Its adjusted earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization EBITDA rose 59% to $122.7 million. So, very good on this one. So the Trade Desk earnings beat allayed some fears about Apple iOS update and the impact of the supply chain headwinds on advertisers, but is it too late to buy the Trade Desk at its latest post-earnings pop? You would just have to research that and do it for yourself. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, so you'd have to do that one on your own. The Trade Desk, what investors are saying about the Trade Desk as shares surge this week. And this is dated here today. Today's shares of the Trade Desk are trading higher at nearly 10% after reporting earnings earlier this week. It is safe to say investors were satisfied. The Trade Desk stock has surged 13% higher since the close on November 8th. For the third quarter, the company reported revenue of $301 million, up 39% and beating the Zacks consensus estimate by a wide margin. A slew of analyst upgrades followed after earnings. Of course, investors in the Trade Desk stock were concerned that Apple identifier as advertisers policy changes would affect Q3 earnings results. However, CEO Jeff Green stated during the earnings conference call that the IDFA changes had no material effect on operations. So there you go. Over here on Reddit, EPS 20%, revenue beats 6%, stock up 25%, and that's right there you go. Sell. I'm sure there's some people selling it. So over here to tip ranks, currently at $100.33, a 52-week low of 46.71, high of 98.20, 12.28 million shares on the volume being traded. Don't know what this one is. Unity Software, haven't heard of it. This one's Roblox, haven't really looked into that one. And the trade desk, I sold and have seller's remorse. I'm sure. That's why it's tough for me to sell, but Facebook, don't miss the train. And it is a Shopify video earlier. It's had a great day as well. Not much other information in there. Over here to tip ranks, showing it as a strong buy. Currently at $100.33, and this is showing a 2.40% downside to 97.92, high of 120, low of 60. But if you have the trade desk, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you want to share on this one, and we could take a look at it. And any other stocks you want me to take a look at or do a video, I'd be happy to take a look at those as well and do a video on them for you. So just ask away, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.